Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a project that I think has a lot of potential in the metaverse and gaming sector. Alright, it's a layer 2 and it is fantastically fast and efficient, and that's really what you want when you're talking about GameFi. Alright, so without further ado, obviously this is not financial advice, you're responsible for your own funds, but without further ado, let's jump in to the video. Okay, so this is the Aureal One blockchain, and this is essentially the world's first metaverse blockchain network for the next decade of gaming. Okay, so what this actually does, it uses something called ZK-Rollups and essentially allows you to transact via GameFi in a way that's incredibly fast and efficient and making the fees really low compared to other blockchains. If you were going to transact on Bitcoin, for example, the fees can be very high. But on a layer 2 like this, it essentially allows you to transact instantly, and it allows you to transact very cheaply as well. So these guys, they're catering to a lot of different things. They do have a couple games that are already made and ready. Okay, so they've got their Dark Loom Metaverse, which is essentially its own little decentralized universe in which you can explore, you can build, okay, you can essentially shape your own world inside this metaverse. That's something that's fantastic, okay, but they also have Clash of Tiles as well, right? So this is more of a grid-based strategy game in which players can deploy cryptocurrencies and stocks on different tiles and actually wage real-time battles with each other. That's just two of the games that are essentially already built here, right? And they've got hundreds of more to come, okay? So really, in terms of utility, in terms of this actually being used, it's already out there, it's already ready to actually turn on and get going. And the good thing about this is it is in pre-sale right now. And yes, they have already raised over 290,000. That is massive. Okay, for a pre-sale this early on to raise that much money is a great sign for a project like this, particularly in the metaverse and gaming space. Okay, so if you did want to get involved with this pre-sale, guys, super easy to do. You just go onto their website, connect your wallet. Okay, you can choose which payment method you want to actually buy this, right? And you can get a super cheap price right now as well, which will be just 0.0005 cents here per coin, which is really cheap when you consider how much they've already raised and you consider the scalability of this project. Okay, so fantastic stuff, and the ticker here is DLoom, so definitely check this out. Okay, DLoom is going to be a massive coin in my opinion, and again, why is this different to other blockchains out there, right? So the gas fees, zero. Okay, so zero gas fees, that's already a win. Okay, the transactions super fast. We talked about this being a layer 2. Okay, so that is going to mean it's super fast, very low fees. Okay, it's specifically built for gaming. Okay, so with gaming, you look at microtransactions, you look at trading assets in those games. Okay, so we're talking in-game items. If you look at any game like Fortnite, if you look at any game, even RuneScape, World of Warcraft, trading those items in-game are massive, big, volume-heavy just businesses as themselves, right? They create billions and billions of dollars in transactions. So just getting a small market share of the gaming and metaverse space here, you can expect this project to really just blow up from that point. Once any of these games that build on here have any kind of success, it becomes a money machine for everyone involved here. Okay, and yes, early access, you can buy DLoom now at the best possible price, as we just talked about, by participating in the pre-sale. Okay, so fantastic stuff from these guys. Okay, a quick summary here of what's going on here. Clash of Tiles, as we said, tile-based warfare, so real-world price movements, and you can conquer tiles and actually earn real-world assets from that, which is pretty crazy when you think about it. Okay, dynamic battles, okay, and you can earn and expand your territory by earning DLoom and expanding your empire by using DLoom in the game. Okay, fantastic stuff there. Really nice website, I will say, guys. Just fantastic across the board there. If we're looking at the tokenomics here, guys, we can see pre-sale 65%. That's good. Okay, it means it's going to be a pretty decentralized and not centralized project. Okay, so token supply will be distributed worldwide based on particular particularly as they've already got what, like 109, was it 290,000 already raised, right? So particularly because of that, it's a great sign. It's a great sign here. Development, 15% for the dev team. Okay, not too high here. Something you would expect when they are building something with this much scale. Okay, marketing, 10%. You're going to want that for exchange listings. You're going to want that for any kind of promotion where it's PR, anything like this. You want to be able to have that token supply ready. So that's actually pretty standard here. Okay, and liquidity, 10%. Liquidity, I normally say between 5 and 15% is good. So that's fantastic on that front. Okay, the development phase, if we're looking at the roadmap here, guys, we can see that, yeah, they are planning all the way up to 2026 here, okay, to begin with anyway. Yeah, they are actually well up to date with their roadmap as well, right? So Q4 2024, launching the pre-sales on Binance chain, okay, with DLoom tokens. That's what they're doing right now, okay? And then Q1 of next year, begin development of the blockchain, okay? So, yeah, that'll be fantastic where they can get that going, okay? Obviously, they've already got the games ready and everything. It's just a case of implementing it into the new blockchain and making sure everything's working, getting the testnet out, and then going live from that point, okay? Q2, release alpha version of Clash of Tiles, okay? So that'll be fantastic for them to release that, okay? They have been working hard on that behind the scenes. I have been talking with a few of the devs here. They're looking pretty good on that. They're pretty ahead of schedule, from my opinion anyway, right? If we are looking at the Q3, complete token swap process and launch the DLoom token, okay? So, yes, getting in this early can be crazy because you got to imagine all of the partnerships these guys are going to be creating, okay? As they keep building, as they keep raising massive amounts of money like they're already doing, okay, there will be more partners, there'll be more games, and there'll be more adoption for this even before it's launched. And that's something that, yeah, it's what you want to see, okay? You want to be building, but you also want to be creating those partnerships as well, right? So these guys are just ticking all of those criteria boxes, okay? Definitely check out their white paper. It's quite long, but that's, again, another sign of quality here, and they do just go through pretty much everything that you need, all right? If we are going to look at the FAQs here, we can see that, yeah, it briefly explains what the project is, okay? So Aureal One is the next generation blockchain network specifically designed for gaming, okay? DLoom is the token. We've got how to participate in the pre-sale here, which will be obviously on the website with that widget. Very, very easy to do, okay? Yes, they've got a little bit about the games, a little bit about the staking. You will be able to stake your DLoom and actually earn from the ecosystem that's created here, which will be fantastic, okay? And what makes it unique as well, right? So that's fantastic. Really, really good project. Their socials here, they actually already have some fantastic videos going out here on their socials, which have really actually super impressed me, okay? Because if you can have a metaverse, something like this, okay, where it is futuristic, where it is cyberpunk related with their metaverse on Darkloom, right? This is going to be something that is critical for the success of this project, and I do think that they're really nailing that on the head as of right now, okay? So in summary, guys, definitely check this out. Check out the pre-sale. It is available to get involved now, okay? And definitely a project that I would recommend really just diving into and just seeing, because GameFi will be massive this bull run, guys, and do not sleep on Aureal One, okay? That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.